Hello.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Everyone. This is a media.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is George from WESDOM Group. This is my colleague, Zeman Mohamed Amelia. Today we have been here for introduce the butterfly wolf and the ball wolf.
最后1分钟啊，我又给你们手势。有人也退了。
哎呦天哪！哎呀，倒吸一口凉气呀！
清晰不清晰啊？
可以吗 ？Hello。
行，那就准备开始吧。
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is George from WESDOM Group, manufacturer of the wolves. This is my workmate Amelia.
Hello, everyone. This is Amelia. Nice to meet you. Today we come to our factory.
Yes, for introduce the butterfly wolf and ball wolves. Firstly, let us introduce the sample room. Then Amelia will introduce the laboratory. Let's go sample room first.
Come on.
Come on. Okay, as you can see, this is our electric motor and all kinds of valves. On my hand, this is the chick valve. This is the ball valve. About the gearbox, it's also produced by our factory. Meanwhile, the body material can be WCB ductile iron or stainless steel. This one is our butterfly valve. Also the most hot seal butterfly valve. As for the body material, also the ductile iron, stainless steel, or WCB. According to your requirement, we will use the different material for your choice. This one is bigger than just one. For standard world size, the maximum size is 3.2 meters. For these butterfly valves, we also have three different body material for your choice. Just like this one is the gate valve. Normally it can be used in the underground. This one can be used for water protection, but this is small size. Should be 25 millimeters. When you use it, you only need turn on or turn off the hand wheel. The difference is size. Other such as body material is the same. Okay, that's most of the valves we can produce. Let us introduce the laboratory later.
Hello. Let me introduce the double eccentric flange butterfly valve. The size of the sample is 15,000 millimeters taller than me, and the material of the butterfly valve is ductile iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel. In order to adapt different operation conditions, we design different sealing style, such as hard seal, soft seal. The material of hard seal is stainless steel and stylet, and the soft sealing, the material of soft sealing is rubber. It can used in water, oil, and gas project. You can visit the butterfly valve. The pressure of the sample is
16 bar.
Okay, let's move to next part. Come on.
Let's move to the laboratory.
This is our laboratory. The valves before production testing are operating here. Come on.
Come on, we have been our laboratory. Let Amelia, our beauty, to introduce these machines.
This equipment is Tensile Test, which is used for testing the bending force. It can be tested according to American, Japanese, national, and various standards provided by users. Next, this equipment is automatic impact equipment, which is used to test the valve and the flow. Then we can judge the quality of the valve. But now it doesn't work. And last, the spectrum analyzer in the small house. It used in analyze the raw material of valve, such as brass, stainless steel. Then that's the three equipment. After this testing, the will be arranged production. Now we will move to production department.
Okay, let's go for our production line.
If you are interested in our factory, please leave your thumb up and follow our live schedule. We will have another activity on March 27th.
Okay. Just now, one of my friends sent the comments. He is interested in the gate valve. Please leave your comments, our email address, or our WhatsApp. Our sales will contact you later. Thank you. Okay, this is the door of our production line. We will enter. Follow us. Follow our steps. Okay, we have got our waiting district. Come in with me. Just like you can see, our workers is welding the valve. Normally, this motor is operated by just one person because this motor is automatic motor. No need more people to operate. Compare with other factory, they always use manual motion because our advantage is that the efficiency and uniformity is better than their products. Therefore, many customers agree with us to produce the valves for them. If you interest our gate valve, our ball valve, please give us your comments on our living show. Thank you. Okay.
Is a process.
Maybe you have a question. What materials they are operate on the body on the plate of valve. They will welding the stainless or stainless steel. It can improve their performance. When you close or open the gate valve or ball valves, it can be used for many years.
In the process of welding, very careful of your glass. Wear glasses. Very careful.
Yes. About the welding motion, the maximum size they can operate is 3.2 meters. Okay, let's introduce another part. This is our another production line. we will process the flange, top flange our flange on side. Just like you can see, this is our valves, but our valves, these valves can't meet our demand. Therefore, we will not process these valves.
In my left hand area, this and the valve body waiting for quality. If they are guaranteed, if they are quality guaranteed, they will be used. This is all waiting for.
Okay, follow us. Over there is our machine to process the flange. Also, about the machines, most of the machines are automatic, so don't worry our delivery time will delay, because for the automatic machine, the delivery time will be estimated in time. We can produce the valves before your delivery time. We promote not delay. But this butterfly valve, the size is the size is 1,400 millimeters. Normally we have three materials for your choice, such as WCC or ductile iron, and ductile iron and
Here. Let's come to production department.
I'm embarrassed. I forgot the bottom material we used.
This vertical laser is used to processing big size valve body. But now it doesn't work. It's used to processing the flange surface and the ceiling.
Yeah. Yes, this machine it is used to process the big size valve. We also have other machine to process the small size valve. Look at there for small size.
This machine is used to drill the hole of here. Look the hole of the body. The hole is places a row of connecting body and the drive device up there. Now let's look how they work.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please.
Okay. close.
Okay, our workers is processing the top flange. Look at clearly. Okay. Next, follow us. Please leave your comments on our living show and give us some. Thank you.
Look here. This machine is processing the flange surface. You can see clearly the flange surface is different from the valve body. Closer, you can visit closer. Next,
Okay,
follow us to another smart production line.
follow us. Let us introduce our smart machine. Firstly, there are no any people out there because our machine is automatic. We just need control there. This screen. We just need to control this screen. Then the machine will process this plate. Will process this plate. So please don't worry the embarrassing. We promote the delivery time and the quantity and the quality. By my side is another smarter machine. Always, there's also have no person out there. Normally, only need one people to operate this machine. Then, let me open it. This machine is for process the gearbox. You can see we have many gearbox on there, but this is the body. There's no accessories of gearbox.
我这边有个
音响啊。Okay. Let me introduce this smart machine. Compare with just machine I introduced. This is more clearly to see this machine how to produce the valve.
This machine is fully automated.
Yes, if you interest our gate valve, our ball valve, check valve, please leave your comments. Our sales will contact you later.
Look here. Our workers are processing the small size discs according to the design.
Maybe you are confused about this worker, but you can see he is processing the flange. Then the flange will be air weld on the body of valve.
And next, this 1-2 machine is to processing the flange, and they are all automatic. So one work may operate 2 machines. Our customers can visit here. The flange of butterfly valve body is processing.
好多老外在看你，你要加油啊！
好。Thank you, my friends, and thank you for joining us our living show. If you interest our living show, please leave your comments. We will contact you later. Also, don't forget the thumbs. Please give us thumbs our living show.
The butterfly valve will be processing in this machine.
Yes, the butterfly valve will be moved another side on the machine. Then it will be processed. Then follow Amelia to introduce another machine, but it looks have not work now.
No, it works. The screen is working. It seems like the machine is processing the flange also. And this work operates the 3 machines at the same time. Look at our cute workers. Look the body just processing.
This flange was processed, just a sample processed. Later, it will be processed again.
Okay.
We have been on there.
Okay, this is the automatic production line of processing the valve body. Now let's move to another line from here.
Okay, let's go another side. Follow our steps. Okay, Amelia, let's go there.
That area is a little noisy. Please forgive. In this area, the raw materials are cut off and processed into some accessories such as valve stem, voltage disc. Look, the workers are cutting the disc.
Okay.
Move to the next part.
Do you know the raw material of the steam? It's just like the road, and the material is iron or stainless steel. After the road was produced, we will have many steams on there. These steams are waiting for match with the ball valve, our butterfly valve, our chicken valve.
Okay, let's visit this machine used to process the gear used in the gearbox.
Yeah.
Come on closer.
Okay, let's Amelia show you the accessory. This accessory will be matched with the gearbox. It will be installed on the inner of the gearbox. Later, I will show you a complete gearbox for your reference.
Yeah, its shape is a little special because it rotates 90 degrees in the gearbox, so it's 90 degrees.
Also have the hand wheel. For the gearbox, we will match a hand wheel on the gearbox. You can turn or off the valve with this hand wheel.
Okay. Next, let's come to an area that someone is interested in: flange drilling machines. And there are two equipment that used to drill flange. This one is automatic equipment. It's fully automatic. It can be operated by a woman, and it's more labor saving and efficiency. Can you see? Okay, in the opposite of the automatic drilling flange equipment, there are two semi-manual equipment that are used in drill flange hole. This one you can see, our workers are drill the flange hole. The position of hole need map in advance. Then our workers drill the hole on the flange.
Actually, this is our old machine. Most of our machines now we use the smart.
Okay.
Yes.
Next, it will change the small hole. Come on to the next part. This semi-manual equipment of drilling hole can designed by our customer standard. This is the butterfly valve that just complete.
By my side, it's clearly to see the drawing. Our workers is processing the hose of the flange. Okay, Amelia, let's to another side. Is our this is our casting district. We for the casting we have the body of the valve and the gearbox and the butterfly valve. This you can just like the raw material. All the casting was transported to our factory from our casting factory. Okay, please look at there. This is our big size. This is our big size butterfly valve. This is also our stock. Last year, one of my customers from Philippines want to import this butterfly valves. We will need. We also can produce right now for my customer.
In this area, there are some butterfly valve blanks. Regular size blanks are available in stock. If you have need, the production can be arranged immediately, and the material of the valve body is ductile iron. Please remember. The material of this part and that part is different. The material is WCB.
Based on your the requirement of the pressure, we will introduce the suitable body material. If the price is 16 bar, we will choose ductile iron. If the pressure is higher, we normally choose the WCB body material for your it depends on your on the working environment.
Our storage can satisfy many projects needs.
Yes. These three butterfly valves will be transported to Pakistan. Can you introduce this butterfly valve?
Yes. The drive mode of this butterfly valve is electric, and the material is WCB. The size of the butterfly valve is 13 millimeters, 1300 millimeters.
Yes.
Tall.
No.
No taller than me. No taller than me.
You are taller than the butterfly valve.
Yes. Okay.
If you interest our living show, please give me and my workmate Amelia subs or give us some comments, and we will promote. Thank you. Okay. The production line was introduced just now. Now we will introduce the punching district. Look at our punching room.
The butterfly valve is painting in the house, just like these two butterfly valve and three butterfly valve, just introduced.
Yes.
But I'm regret that everybody can see the finished painting today.
Yes.
If have opportunity, we will show you again.
Yes. Okay. This butterfly valve also will be shipped to Pakistan. We sold this valve to one customer. Later we will process again of this butterfly valve, and on the body of valve, we will process the sand clean.
Okay, let's come to see our factor what's doing.
Now our workers is processing the machine. Because, we will print the什么东西是什么？问他一下。
师傅，这一步骤这个涂的是什么东西啊？
阀门啊？
不是这个东西。
我就想说这个东西。
This is anti-rust materials. After this step, they can be sent to the house to painting.
Oh my god. Please give us a picture. Take a photo.
This is big size butterfly valve that will be polished because there are some sand and some no use things in the body.
Yes.这是油，
Just like this one.
铁路的色。
This flange surface is different. It's after polished.
Meanwhile, about the flange type, we also can produce the national standard, American standard, or the German standard for your choice.
Okay, George, can you tell me the
Another side.
yes,
By my side,
the small
It's,
house is used.
besides the painting, we also have the spray. Just like you see, our wolves will be out there, and this will moving.
Yeah.
Moving.
Before spring, the valve need to be heated to ensure the plastic can be wrapped in the valve body.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. The body of the valve will be heating in advance. Then ensure the spray will be melted. Avoiding the painting will drop.
Yes. Now some machines are smart,
Yes.
so we can labor saving many energies.
Yes. You also can see our factory as the smart factory, because we have many smarter machines to process the valves.
Yeah. Above are some machines to operate the valve body. Next, let's move to the next part. Workers are operating the schedules. Come on. 你讲啊。
我想。Okay, this part is the gearbox. Our workers is processing the gearbox and install the accessories of the gearbox.
These drive glasses are designed by ourselves.
Yes, we are sampling the gearbox. This is the boat. this is the body of the gearbox, waiting for a sample with other accessories. Okay. For different size of valve, we will match the different size of gearbox. Just like you see, this gearbox will be matched with the valve. The valve just like you see just now. I show you.
Look there. The
什么？是什么？
开关。
The steam will be installed on there, and we will match electric motor to operate this gearbox. Then the plate will close or open.
And these are open and closed type electric gearbox. And
Yes.
most of our electric has anti-explosion devices.
Yes. From there to there, so you can open the plate from 0 to 90.
So you don't need to worry about the safety of the devices. Next, follow George's step to visit the pressure testing.
Yes, pressure testing. After the body of valve and the plate are assembled, then all the valves will be tested on the machine. Just follow us. Let me introduce that machine. Okay.
Valves need to be testing under these two machines. 1, 2. That machine is operating. It looks this butterfly valve just testing. 讲呀，150倍压力。
If you're interested in our living show, please give us some comments.
Okay, let's come to our storage area.
This is our stock. Our stock for accessories, such as flange, and the plate. Our gearbox. Amelia will show you the accessories. Look at there.
Yes.
Gearbox.
This area, this is anti-finished drive devices, and this is gear in the gearbox, just like we see in the production line. This is big size. And there are some finished gearbox storage. Regular size blanks and finished works are available in storage. Okay.
Okay. This part is flange stock.
Let's visit some accessories used in valve body. Stamps, valve stamps, gasket, different size gasket. Okay.
Okay, Amelia, let's go fast because our customers are waiting for our reply the questions.
Okay, let's look through the production line again.
Okay.
And then we will back to our sample area.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
on.
Let's go faster. Okay, we return to the test district.
If you feel satisfied, remember to follow our live schedule
Okay.
to attend our next
Please
activity.
remember follow WESDOM, the professional manufacturer of the valves. Had better leave your email address or WhatsApp. We will contact you later. If you also have questions, also can comment on Living Show. I will reply you now. This is our spray district. We saw this motion just now.
It doesn't work also.
About the painting, different colors can be chosen, such as blue and red or gray.
Okay, now we back to anti-finished product area.
Our casting.
这边。
Yes. This is
Go through again, please.
we return to the production line again. These machines we introduced just now. Some machines will be used for processed the flange, the top flange, and some other machines will process the body of the material.
And now there are more and more automatic engineering. It can shorten our delivery time. We are very honored to our factory. Okay, welcome to our store sample area. Okay, look here. There are some Flange butterfly valve has been packaged.
Yes, we will package this butterfly valve for 3 times. This one, this first, this second, this third.
To prevent bumps, and then they will be packaged
To the tree. 木托
in the wooden box. And the hand wheel will be packaged separately.
Yes.
This all finished works.
Okay. Okay, look at there. All the valves are packaged and on the wooden case. Please don't worry, it will damage because we have this material.
结束吧。
结束吧。Okay. Okay, we will finish our living show. So, if you interested our living show, please give us some thumbs. Our comments. We will contact you later. Amelia, do you have any other questions?
Yeah, if you have interested in our products, any products such as butterfly valve, ball valve, please leave your email or with WhatsApp or WeChat comments. Our sales will contact you, and remember to follow our live schedule. We will have another live show on March 27th, and then we will introduce our another main products, water meter. Remember
to follow us. Follow WESDOM. See you next show.
See you.